The next scenario is that you want your user to enter a mobile number and that should be a correct value. So what would be the conditions you need to check? First condition, it should be of 10 digit, and second, it should be a number. These are the two factors we need to judge while a user is entering data in this particular cell. So how to go ahead with this? Keep your control on this cell, go to data validation, look at these options. So what is the option which is fitting in for our requirement? So I could find no option which allows me to put two conditions to test. So I will go ahead and use custom. So what would be the formula I would be using? I will write equal to, because I need to check two conditions. So I will use AND operator. So my first condition is length of A20 should be equal to 10, right? So AND operator is used for multiple logical test. Like we have two tests, so we will go ahead with AND operator. Length function is used to take the length of a text. So we can use that here. And what would be the second condition? Is number A20. So basically, the value in A20 cell should be a number. This is the second test we need to perform. So we are aware of is number function. We already discussed in the functions module that is number function test the value in this particular cell. Either it's a number or not. So in case it's a number, it's going to return true, else false. So when this length function is going to return a true value that it is of yes 10 digits, and is number is going to return a true value that the value being entered in this cell is a number, both the conditions will hold true, and then it will allow user to enter that particular value. So this is how this data validation is going to work. When we say okay, now it's a time to test it. Like in case I'm entering this, it is taking the digit. So what is the error we have performed? Now check this function again. And what is the error we have done here? Try to find that out. Look at the way we have written this formula, right? So length of A20 should be 10, right? Now this is perfect. Length of A20 should be equal to 10 is number A20. And we say, okay, now delete this value and write again. It says the value does not match the data validation restrictions defined for this cell. Okay, try something else. Try a text value. It is not working. Fine. And in case we are entering a 10-digit number, it's taking. So this is how this data validation can be entered for mobile numbers. So basically, how to go ahead with the data validation? First of all, write down the conditions you need to test, the logical test you need to write down. Then think for the formulas you are going to use for testing those test or conditions. And then after that, you just put together in the custom section and it should work.